Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! It's been a while since I've done a what the fucks for drunk supper video, so guess what? Tonight's the night, bitches! Look, we got some water boiling, throw some fucking salt in there and let her fucking rip. This video is, well, it's for Chris the Butcher and friends. CTB, hashtag. He asked me, because it's been a while since I've done a drunk fucking supper video. I'm high too. I'm that. To do one just for him. So this one's just for you, fuck nuts. So what I got here, water boiling. I got some Ziggies, well, or G's, because the Zig was already taken away. Cheese tortellini. So, there you go, fuck nuts. Put this fucking cheese tortellini in the water and hopefully not burn ourselves, scald ourselves from the boiling water. Go, you can fuck off. We'll give this a mixeroo, let her come back to a boil, and see what's going on. I got something in this pot over here. I ain't gonna show you what the fuck that is yet. It's a mystery. Woo! Oh, fuck me, look. There's beer too, eh? Woo! Cheers, big ears. Let's drink up like a buttercup. Oh, fuck, that's good. Alright, bitches. Okay. I know I should be using a larger pot, but I don't feel like digging it out. Doesn't matter. It'll work. Okay. I'll be back. And I'm not going to show you that. I got to mix it. Give that a mixeroo. Woo! Cheers, big ears. TeamCTB, fucking rules. RTFO, mofos. When we come back, we'll be over there. And we'll be eating this. You don't need to watch this boil. It's, you know, it's elementary, bitches. Woo! Alright, bitches. Woo! We're ready to fucking rock and roll. Woo! Hey! CTB! Team CTB! This is my drunk fucking supper for tonight, bitches. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup. And shut the fuck up. So, hey. You said you want me to do a drunk supper video just for you, so I'm doing it, buddy. Well, you know what? You gotta do a fucking bacon bomb. Fucking right. And Lou has to help you do it. Not just you. Hey, look. There's nothing in the bowl. Empty. Don't worry. We're gonna fill it up. Lou has to help you make the bacon bomb. Make sure you drain the grease at least twice while it's cooking. Because you'll have a fire if you don't. Drain the fucking grease. 3 pounds of bacon. 3. Smoked bacon, like North American bacon. You English fucking people have some weird kind of bacon. I don't, not the loin type, but I don't know. Streaky and I don't know. You guys are fucked with bacon. Sorry. Drink up, buttercup. Listen to Mitsu, she's singing. Okay. Here you go. Let's get some cheese tortellini, which is still steaming. It's steaming. I don't know if you can see that, but there is steam. It's coming out. Okay. Get in here. You steamy fucking tortellini. Okay, that's good enough for that. Hey. Oh, oh! Woo! I'd love to see Mitsu naked. She's fucking awesome. Okay, you know what? Let's just put a little dash of salt on there because I'm a salt freak. Oh, there you go. Woo! And hey, chili flakes. Chili flakes. Don't worry, we'll put a little more on top. And, okay, so we got some jalapeno Monterey Jack cheese. We're just gonna do a little sprinkle of that on there right now. Just a little. Remember, that's cheese tortellini. And then we got some old cheddar. Not extra old, just old. One of these days I'll go and I'll get some 11-year-old cheddar or something. That stuff's like fucking sawdust. It's expensive as fuck though. Okay. There you go, mon gigolo. Now, what are we gonna smother this with? I didn't tell you that. Well, guess what? Cheers, big ears. Here it comes. Look out. Look out. And this is steamy. Well, I made a chili the other day. Well, a couple of days ago. On the wood stove. And that video is not up yet. I don't know. Yeah, this one will be out before that one. But this is the leftovers of the chili that I made on the wood stove. So, and this is really fucking steamy. So we're having cheese tortellini with other cheese and chili. So this is a, what is this? This is gonna be a cheesy chili tortellini. That's what this is. This is fucking heavy. I need a trivet. I don't want to put it on there. There you go. Fuck. Look out. Trivet. Perfect. Look out, bitches. There you go. Hey. There you go. Fuck nuts. There you go. Don't worry, we'll figure this out. This ain't no fancy plating fucking bullshit. Okay, away with you. Lid, trivet, gone. Let's put a little more of these little, what do you call these things? Chili peppers, chili flakes. A little bit more of them on there. You guys can fuck off. Thanks for coming out. Fucking cockholes. And let's just put a little more of this cheese on here. Sure, it's not gonna melt. I can nuke it if you want. And make it look all... Wait, what's that new word I learned a few weeks ago? Melty. Fucking cocksuckers. Stupid fucking idiots. The cheese is melty. It's melted, you fucking morons. Oh, don't get me started. Yeah, well, look out. I'm gonna nuke it. I want to melt that and make it melty. Woo! I don't know, we'll give her about a fucking 28 seconds on that, eh? Da da da. Bye bye. Okay. Woo! Alright, bitch tards. Here you go. Oh! I did nuke it. Because the cheese is melty. No, it's fucking melted, you fucking cockholes. Okay. What do we got? Cheesy, cheese tortellini, chili, cheese, fucking shit. Street King. Fucking right. Just drink up, Buttercup. That's it. Drink up. Shut the fuck up. Woo! Skull! Content! Bjorn fucking rules, bitches. This is a drunk fucking supper, bitches. CTB, Chris the Butcher. Is this drunk enough for you, motherfucker? Woo! The Woola! Woola of the world! Skull! 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 Motherfucker. Bjorn TV rules. Best fucking YouTuber out there. Hey, let's eat this.
He was the last king. I am the new king.
Fucking A. You are the new king. Look at that. Tortellini and chili. Whatever. Hey, cheese tortellini and chili. Do you think it's been done before? I have no idea. I'm not saying I originated it, but... Well, it's Christmas Eve, bitches. This is the 24th of December, 2019, so... If anybody did it before me, God bless you. If not, and you can fucking lick my fucking sphincter. Woo! It's fucking good. I like this. Fucking tasty. Hey, no sauce on that one. Let's get some fucking sauce. There's some sauce. Saucy. Bitchy. Oh, look at that. That's steamy. No cheese on that one, though. But it's steamy. It's fucking tasty as motherfucker. Well, there's no cheese on it, but there's cheese in it. Because it's cheese tortellini. I know, I'm fucking wasted. What the fuck do I know? I don't know anything. Well. I fucking like this. What? Tom Morello? What? Oh. Hi, Tom. There we go. I can hear Tom in the background. Cheers, bitches. Come on! Start fucking playing! Fucking assholes, quit fucking around! Fucking show offs? No. Let go! Do it! There you go. Fucking assholes. Look at that, eh? Isn't that fucking good? What are there, 7 guitarists in this fucking song? Yeah, 7 I think. Tom Morello is one of them. There's a lot of fucking famous guys in this one. Fucking A. Ow. Fuck, that plate is hot. This shit's hot, man. Okay, I'm babbling, I'm drunk, I'm high. I don't give a fuck. Got a heater in my old truck. Trying to get a new truck. Got no money. That's okay. But I got some cheesy tortellini chili shit. It's a drunk supper. I'm fucking drunk. I'm fucking high. I don't give a fuck. Fuck off. You don't like it? Fucking blow me. That's all I gotta say about that. Look at that. Yeah. More cheese, please. Ow. Hey. Eat this. Come here. Tortellini. Fuck, you dropped another one. Fucking wasted. I don't give a shit. Woo! Fuck yeah. Merry Christmas, bitches. Christmas Eve. Uh-oh. It's almost finished. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, that's Tom Morello right there. You can always tell him playing. Hey, look out! Hey, that broke. I don't give a fuck. I got another one. Look out! Hey, don't hit the camera. Where is it? I got one. Look out! At this time, at this place, at this very fucking moment, it's time for a tea. Tonight, T is for Tiger. Good beer from Singapore. Buy this beer, drink it, and like it, bitches. Woo! Motherfuckers. Drink up, buttercup. Oh, that's fucking good. And so is this shit. This is fucking awesome. There you go, bitches. Make this and eat it when you're drunk, because it's a drunk supper. Bacon bomb. You gotta do it now, motherfucker. Cheers, big ears. RTFO MOFOs. And drink and get fucked up. And get high. And watch YouTube videos from me and TeamCTB. Woo.